Hello traders, today 22nd of November 2023. What an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys one of the trades today. We make amazing profit on Aussie dollar. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we've been long, guys, and we make amazing profit. We have taken all this ready. We also have taken pullbacks long here. But when we look at this rejection, so many time price rejection, that gives us that high probability of possibility of counter opportunity. Based on the intraday, we had this beautiful breakout. After the breakout, price nicely retest and bank amazing profit. The target around this level, which is the first target, nicely hit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That was pretty straightforward. As you have seen, let me share with you the previous analysis. You can see here, guys, pull back long. We've been long here, bank amazing profit. So once the market, we see the multiple rejection in 4 hours, so we look at the intraday, and this is what exactly we did. As explained to Marta, let the market break previous low. As soon as you can see a market nicely broken. After the breakout, we are looking a confirmation for counter opportunity, which price nicely developed. Counter opportunity, first target hit as mentioned in the 4 hour. As explained, my trader is time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time with the full explanation? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.